Both India and China have large and powerful armies, with significant resources and modern technology. It is difficult to compare the military strength of the two countries as their militaries have different strengths and weaknesses. In terms of active military personnel, China has a larger standing army with approximately 2.18 million active troops, while India has around 1.4 million. However, India has a larger reserve force than China. In terms of defense spending, China has a higher military budget than India, but India has been increasing its defense spending in recent years. India also has a more advanced air force and navy, with a fleet of modern fighter jets and naval vessels. India also has a well-established defense industry and is capable of manufacturing its own weapons and military equipment. On the other hand, China has a larger defense budget than India and has invested heavily in modernizing its military in recent years. China has a large fleet of advanced fighter jets and naval vessels, as well as a significant number of nuclear weapons. China also has a large cyber warfare capability and is investing in new technologies such as artificial intelligence and unmanned drones. In terms of weapons and technology, both countries have developed and acquired advanced weapons systems and are continuously modernizing their military capabilities. In terms of military strategy, both India and China have different approaches to warfare. India has a doctrine of dissuasive deterrence and emphasizes the use of its military as a defensive force. China, on the other hand, has a doctrine of active defense and has been expanding its military capabilities and presence in the region. It is important to note that both India and China are nuclear powers, and any military conflict between them would have significant global implications. A war between these two nations could lead to a large-scale loss of life, damage to infrastructure, and economic disruption in the region. Therefore, it is in the interest of both nations to resolve their disputes through diplomatic channels and avoid any military escalation. International organizations and neighboring countries have often called for dialogue and peaceful resolution of the border disputes between India and China.